Welcome to day 15 of the 30-day momentum blueprint. And today we're talking about something that sounds small but makes a massive difference in your results, the power of short responses. This is one of the simplest shifts you can make that instantly increases clicks, engagement, and momentum, especially after someone replies to your call to action. Most people think the work is done once someone comments ready, yes, or drops an emoji, but the truth is, this is where most people lose the opportunity. They respond with long paragraphs, explanations, or mini sales pitches, and they accidentally kill the momentum. Here's why short responses win on social media every single time. People are not on social media to read essays. They are scrolling, tapping, watching videos, and making quick decisions. The longer your reply, the less likely it gets read. The simpler your reply, the more likely they take action. Think about your own behavior. When you see a long comment reply, do you carefully read it or do you skip it? Most people skip it. But when you see a short response with a clear direction, your brain processes it instantly and you're more likely to click. This is not about being lazy or dismissive. This is about understanding human behavior. A call to action is simply an invitation to take the next step. That's it. You already did the work in the video. You already built the trust. You already earned the click or the comment. Your comment reply is not the place to resell or re-explain. It's simply the bridge to the next step. For us, that next step is always the same. It's access to your offer or to your blueprint or to whatever you're promoting. One goal, one direction, one clear action. When someone comments ready, they are already raising their hand. Your job is not to convince them. Your job is to guide them. This is where short responses shine. Instead of typing paragraphs, you reply with something simple, clear, and confident. A link emoji followed by your page or your link, your website. A check mark and get it here. A phone emoji and grab it here. A globe emoji and access now. All under 7 words. Easy to read, easy to process, not salesy, not pushy, just helpful. This is the mindset shift I want you to log in. Stop thinking of CTAs as selling and start thinking of CTAs as serving. You are giving people what they ask for, nothing more, nothing less. When you over-explain, you create friction. When you keep it short, you preserve momentum. Short responses feel confident. Long responses feel uncertain. Confidence converts. This is exactly how I built my lead generation system. I don't retype responses every time. I keep them saved in my phone notes. Copy, paste, post. That's it. Simple systems scale. Complicated systems burn you out. Your action today is simple. Write 3 short CTA responses under 10 words each. Save them in your notes. Practice replying with simplicity and confidence. The simpler your response, the more clicks you'll get. More clicks lead to more people entering your automated process. Automation is where freedom comes from. Automation is where consistency comes from. And tomorrow, we're going to talk about how those clicks turn into real leads and how those leads turn into customers without pressure or chasing. Before you go, just remember this. You are not behind. You are building momentum, and momentum is created through small intentional actions done consistently. Keep showing up, keep it simple. You're doing better than you think.